welcome back to my channel. This is Mary of Creating with Mary. Thank you for your support. Thank you for coming back to my channel each and every time. I've been away for a little bit because of some family activities, but right now I'm able to make another video today, and I'm so glad to be able to do this. In Nigeria of today, the prices of food items gone astronomically high. I mean, it's staggering. It's very concerning. One of the things I decided to do was to ensure that I could grow some things within my house, within my own house. Though I don't have much space, I don't have much space for cultivation, like I mentioned in a video I made some times back. I don't have much space to have a very small plot of land that we had. Recently, my father-in-law sent me pictures of yam in bags, and I've already seen another article where a lady was able to plant several bags like this and make, plant yam. I was able to harvest a good number, and I told myself, why not? Because I could actually do this, and I'm very confident about farming practices. Remember in the video about Fulani I mentioned about my mom taking us to farms when I was much younger. So I know about farming. I actually enjoy gardening, farming, being in contact with the soil, working with the soil, working with plants, understanding that the food from this soil are what nourishes our body and keep us alive. Proud to say I'm a farmer of the soil, as well as a farmer of the heart. Yes, I farm the heart. So yeah, this is my yam. This is the yam that I plant. Currently I have 10 bags of yam planted, and right now I have some empty bags, about 6 of them, that I'm still going to fill up with soil from a nearby plot, and then plant some more items. If I don't get yam seedlings, I was able to plant all these 10 yam seeds because I had them in the house. As I bought the yam, they started growing, and I just cut off the head and put them inside the soil. And here they started growing already. You can see the new ones, the new shoots. This one is just coming off, and then once it comes off a certain age, it starts producing these vines and leaves. Okay, I also have ugu, like 3 of them. This is ugu seed. So I have ugu in some. I have ugu and it's a leaf. So because I also had the problem of dogs, I planted some vegetables inside flower beds. And one of my dogs was digging them up. So, but for now, even though she had destroyed one of them, I currently make sure that I beat it up and refuse to damage further. So I have a new shoot. You can see this one is just coming right up. So yes, I have my mini farm right here in my house, and I'm very excited that they're doing very well. Tomatoes currently are so expensive, and so what I'm going to do with some of these bags right here, we're going to plant tomatoes in them and see how that works out for me. I've planted tomatoes in the past, and they were very good, and they come out very well. And I really want to do vegetables, and so this method of planting in bags actually seems to be a very great idea. I'm very excited about the yield and the processes. The children help me with some of them. They're learning. I hope they appreciate they appreciate the food. One of the things that I ensure with my understanding of food is that there is no waste in my house of food. Firstly, because it's expensive, and also because when you understand the value of the work that goes into it, you don't want to waste that process. You don't want anything to go to waste. So a lot of the times, remnants of food are given to dogs, and we rarely have food waste in my house. And then I try to make compost out of the peels and dog waste and all of that, dog poop and all that, so we can put in the soil. So yes, I'm a farmer, a beautiful farmer. I love nature. I appreciate the fact that I understand where food comes from. I understand the preparation of the food even. So yes, I'm blessed to be able to have such information, and I'm working to also ensure that my children appreciate and value the importance of the soil. See, there's a heartworm right there inside this soil. Keeps it loose. So these are my vegetables, a few of them growing in the flower bed. So like I said, I don't have much space. The idea of planting in bags is a very brilliant idea. It's a very beautiful idea for people who do not have spaces. I mean, large, reasonable space to plant things in. So yes, we'll just be planting more things, and I'll show you how that goes. And I hope you're able to also do this if you like me. Plant something in the bag. If you don't have space, in the pot, plant food, plant vegetables inside bags or inside pots, and save up some money from purchasing any expensive food items. The last time I went to the market, a piece of yam was costing between 1,400 and 2,000 naira for a reasonable sized yam. I mean, that is a cutthroat price. But when you're in the city, you are at the mercy of this food sellers. There is nothing you can do about it, and considering the insecurity situation in Nigeria, which is actually affecting a lot of farmers, food items have really gone up. So yes, we have to adapt to the situations as they come, and hope for the best, pray for the best. And here is one way I will be adapting to the rising cost of food items in my own country. And thank you for watching again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mary Ogunbola. I'm the content creator at Creating with Mary, and this I make videos such as this. I make arts and crafts, things that I enjoy doing, things that give me pleasure. I share my world with you, sharing my world, how I attain peace and how I attain contentment in my life, and the things that I do that give me satisfaction. And one of the things that I do that is being in nature. I mean, it may be little, as small as this. We don't have parks around, but touching the soil, connecting with plants, those are things that I enjoy doing, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to do them right now, to do them in this period of my life. I'm super grateful. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again sometime soon. Bye for now. Jamendo.com